In order to download offline maps within Google Maps, the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Maps application, and then in the upper right-hand corner where you see your account information, you should see your profile image. Tap on that there. And then what you want to do is you're going to see an option about midway down that says Offline Maps. Tap into Offline Maps. Then you're going to see if you have any downloaded maps, which I assume you don't. And in order to download them, you want to tap the option at the top that says Select Your Own Maps. It's then going to present you with a little box where you can pinch to zoom on your device to zoom in or zoom out to get larger maps. Now remember, the larger the map that you download, the larger the file's going to be, so understand that as well. So again, just go ahead and zoom in on a specific area. Let's say this is the area you want to download. Go ahead and find that area and go ahead and tap download there at the bottom of your screen. It'll let you know how many megabytes it'll take up on your device, and then it will begin downloading. While it's downloading, you can tap the pencil icon in the upper portion of your screen to rename the map if you want to have it named something if you're going to download multiple maps. That way it makes organization a lot easier. Once it's done downloading, you can see now that when you go back to your offline map section here, go back to your settings, tap into this option here, go to offline maps, and then you're going to see the list of maps that you've downloaded. You can now tap into the map that you just downloaded and start using it the way that you would as if you were online. Now, if you need to, you can delete that, so you can go and tap delete, or you can hit the pencil icon and rename it as well. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, like, share, and subscribe. Have any further questions, put them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.